So what I'm doing here today is a little tool demonstration on how to use a power steering pulley remover. And some Chrysler cars you need it for the alternator pulley. And it essentially is a little hook here that goes on the outside of this pulley here. And then you have a screw right here that locks into here and then pushes off this stud, the shaft of the pulley. So you want to take and pull this all the way down to the end. Slip our little pulley thing on there, slip this inside. And there is a locking ring here that goes on there to hold it. Many a times these don't work very well, so if you have a clamp, a worm clamp, that works best. Okay, I have my little worm clamp on there to keep it tight. Got that held down there, and we just keep tightening this. It'll push off the shaft of the pulley, and then the pulley will come off. Okay, you'll likely get to a point you have to jam a screwdriver in there, and it is separating here. That's what we want to see. And this will pop off. We'll transfer this to the new one then. Now that we have that pulley off, you can see a lot better where the two halves go on here. Clamp onto that. Okay, we have our remand pump here. So we're going to put the pulley on there, and you're going to need this tool here. It is threaded inside the shaft, and so we're going to back this out, place our pulley on here with those grooves up, thread this down till it's all the way inside the shaft. They have several different ones. So now that that's down there tight, we'll go and turn this screw here, tighten this down. So what we're going to do is hold this with a wrench and then turn this one here with another wrench. Once you start it, you want to make sure that it's going on even and going on straight. And it is, so we'll just keep going until it bottoms out there. Okay, that bottomed out now. So what we'll do is go ahead, loosen this one up here. May have to put your screwdriver in there. And we'll unscrew this, and you're all done.